Meaning of GlaxoSmithKline.
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 GlaxoSmithKline. GlaxoSmithKline is the name of a multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in London, UK. The company was formed in 2000 as a merger between Glaxo Wellcome and SmithKline Beecham. It is one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world, with operations in over 150 countries and a diverse portfolio of pharmaceutical products, vaccines and consumer healthcare products. The company's mission is to help people do more, feel better, and live longer by providing innovative healthcare solutions. Overall, GlaxoSmithKline is a major player in the global healthcare industry, committed to improving the quality of life for people around the world.